In the last video, I took apart an old phone and designed this hardware layout, but the real challenge was turning into this. Let's build it. In the last video, I tore down an old phone and designed this hardware layout. Now it's time to turn it into a frame tech showpiece. First, I placed the custom poster inside the frame and aligned everything properly. Then I started positioning each component based on the layout. To secure the parts, I used two different types of glue, a rubber-based adhesive and a synthetic resin-based adhesive, depending upon the component. Before placing anything, I already marked the traces on the poster showing exactly where each component should go. To create that layout, I took photo of each individual hardware part and removed the background, and I used them as a reference. Then I arranged and measured everything carefully in the Inkscape to match the real size of the component. And if you haven't seen the previous part where I tore down the phone and designed this layout, make sure to check it out on my page and also consider following if you like these type of DIY projects. After measuring everything twice, I printed the layout and started positioning each component along those guidelines. This made the assembly process much easier since every component already has a precise location on the poster. The hardest part was the display. It doesn't have a flat surface to stick onto. So I used a small plastic strap to fix it using a rubber-based adhesive. It took almost 15 minutes to hold properly, and honestly, this was the most time-consuming part of the whole process. But after a bit of trial and error, it finally worked. Once everything was aligned, secured, and frame was completed, I kept the frame open without the glass so the hardware detail remained clearly visible. And that's how an old phone turned into an tech hardware showpiece.